This ugly, rough app idea should not be able to turn into a polished launch campaign in one workflow. But Miora Design is the Agentic Creative Studio, and today I'm using it to build a full fictional AI creator app launch kit for Vortex Next Gen. Now, one brief goes in and we walk out with brand direction, app UI screens, a landing page concept, product visuals, ad frames, and social promo materials. So let's dive straight into it. The concept is a fictional AI creator app called Vortex Studio. It helps creators plan a video, generate visual directions, and package the final idea into posts and ads. Now for this demo, I want the full launch look. Clean logo direction, app UI mockups, website hero, feature sections, social ads, product style visuals, and a few short video frames. Miora isn't a single AI tool. It's a connected workflow that takes one brief and turns it into a complete launch package, from visuals and content to websites and campaigns. And that matters because a real launch is never just make me a logo. The website cannot look premium if the social cards look random. The UI cannot feel modern if the ad frames look cheap. Everything has to speak the same visual language or the whole launch feels stitched together. So first, I give Miora Design the direction. The Vortex Studio launch needs a premium AI creator look, deep tech energy, clean UI, cinematic product visuals, strong ad copy, and a website that feels like a serious tool and not a random prompt experiment. I also set the limits. No copied brand assets, no fake platform claims, no competitor names, and no overpromising. Then agent memory starts carrying the project. Miora Design learns how I create, my taste, method, taboos, and context. And inside this project, it remembers the rules, style guidelines, and requirements that I set so that when I produce the website hero, UI mockups, ad frames, social posts, and product visuals, they stay coherent without me starting from scratch every time. Now the free canvas is where it gets much more hands-on. Image, video, text, 3D, all editable on one infinite canvas. I can keep the brief, the logo ideas, landing page sections, app screens, visual references, headline options, 3D product shots, and video frames together, then edit inside the canvas. I can replace text, box select layout parts, lasso select details, move elements, compare versions, and keep the project alive all in one workspace. Now we move from brief to delivery. Miora Design helps shape the brand identity first. Logo direction, palette, type mood, interface style, and visual rules. Then we build the website concept with a bold hero section, product screenshots, feature blocks, creator workflow visuals, and a call to action section that looks ready for a real product launch. Then I push into the UI concept. I want the app screens to feel like the same product from the website and not a separate mockup. So the dashboard, creator workflow screen, prompt area, asset preview, and expert moment all follow the same rules that agent memory is holding for the project. After that, I create the promo materials. A launch poster, a vertical ad cover, short teaser frames, social cards, product render, and a few alternate ad angles. Now this is where the workflow gets interesting because the assets do not feel like separate experiments. They feel like one campaign with one creative memory behind it. And if I want to repeat this for another AI tool, I can save the workflow as a skill. And next time the structure is already there. The brief, identity, website direction, UI visuals, social pack, ad frames, and delivery checklist. Miora Design can adapt it to a completely new product instead of making me rebuild everything from scratch. So, if you're a creator, founder, designer, or startup maker who wants to turn one brief into a full launch package, check the description box down below for the product link and click through to try it. Follow them on their official Miora Design networks and use hashtag Miora Design definitely because it is the Agentic Creative Studio, and this Vortex Studio launch kit shows why an agentic workflow is more useful than generating one pretty image. Subscribe to Vortex Next Gen for more AI tools, apps, and future tech. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.